I'm full of cold. I feel like crap. I thought I'd try out the muff. Still, such a child. Good morning and welcome to another video. I'm out on the path again. This time I'm testing my new kit. Right, what I've done is I've upgraded my phone from a Galaxy A33 to a Galaxy A56 for an extra £9 a month on top of my contract. I thought I could do that. Ideally, I would like a DJI Action 4, and ideally I'd like an Action 4 mic to go with it. I can't afford it, I'm skint. So I thought best thing forward is to upgrade my phone, better camera. And with that I've got myself microphone. You can probably tell there's a bit of wind today, but if I was talking without a microphone, probably wouldn't be able to hear nothing. You can hear it now, it's picked up. Well, hey, anyway, let's spin it round. There we go. Couldn't gee, look at it. Right, I've clipped it to me hat. I had it on my jacket. It was going. So yeah, did about 10 minutes of waffle, filming and all that caper, and then I thought, bugger, can't use that like. And then I clipped it to my collar. So you get doing all that caper. So I clipped it to my hat. That seems to have cured it. Anyway, it's only a cheapie. It's about 10 £10. So I got it off Amazon. But anyway, box turned up and it's unbranded. It's like now on box. I can't remember the name of brand. OSR or something. But yeah, it was only a tenner. Just plug it in and away you go. Now I've had a look at them, you know, on the web and all that caper, and sure enough, you plug them in. They're all same. They're all made from China. You know, so same innards, same everything. But for £10, see what it does. Because I was prattling around in my kitchen, doing like a city down here, like I intend to do. And yeah, I just sounded like I was on Mars, a million miles away, dead echoey. So, and our lassie's son said, you need to get a mic. So I did. And here we go. So anyway, I thought I'd come out, test it, eh? Why not? So Safari, good. Seems to work. I'm full of cold. I feel like crap. You could probably tell with my voice. It's like croaky and that. But anyway. So we've got cap cam. And we've got muff cam. Necklace cam. Whatever you could call it. So now I've got this thing. This muff. Holmes at best. I've got this thing around my neck now. See if that works. I thought I'd try out the muff. Still, such a child. Anyway, we're on business park now, right? Look, there's Travelodge. I don't know if you can see that. Them things are mint. I love going to stay at them. Me and Mrs. Oh, here we go. Right. That'll be a good test. Car going by. Let's see what that sounds like when we get back to the lodge. Muff cam number 2. Get stay like that. So the other, when it was round my neck, it was making funny noises, as you can see. Sorry, I'm laughing. So let's give this one a go. Anyway, there's a geezer here with another dog. I don't know what it is, looks like a Malamute. But here we go as well. This is good, this, because dipping my toes into the world of filming around other people. So, yeah. So, morning, mate. There we go. Lovely Malamute. He was friendly, dead receptive to the endeavours. Some bloke with a frigging fluffy muff clipped to his cap. Anyway, this will give the muff a good test, won't it? With all these cars going by. Yeah, it's Sunday today, as you probably know. Clocks went forward, so my fingers are dropping off. So summary: Galaxy A56 combined with an unbranded, link in the description, microphone, Lavalier. Is it Lavalier? I don't know. Lavalier microphone. So I'm gonna just have to work out a better way of clipping it, or just not use the muff. Yeah, I feel like some guy out of Universal Soldier, you know, frigging, yeah, fucking Dolph Lundgren there, swearing again. I'm going to be doing videos on art and drawing, so I can't be using foul language, can I? Anyway, thanks for watching. Get me muff. Look at the muff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the old bell icon. And I'll catch you in the next one. Tatty bye for now.